Hi, welcome back to my channel. I got my Laneige order finally, and I'm about to try some of it. This took a while. So the whole reason for this was to get the water bank thing, my own like full-size one. And they gave me some samples too. I'm not going to use this right now, but it's a Cream Skin Serum Peptide Toner and Moisturizer. It's a pretty good size for a sample, 0.5 ounces. And then this is everything else. So my lips are so freaking dry, so I'm going to try this. All those samples in here. They're good on the samples. I noticed that when I was placing the order. Alright, so they gave me Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. I'll try this one since I'm not gonna. It says firming, okay. Because I don't have my other one on my face right now. Probably use that. Water Sleeping Mask. Let me show you the other one closer. There's a lot of information. I don't know how good to read that. It's backwards for me right now. And then the Laneige Lips Sleeping Mask in flavor berry. I also got a lip mask, a regular full-size one too. And so this is the main thing that I was ordering. The Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. It actually doesn't irritate my skin for the most part from what I've noticed. That's why I wanted to get another one. It's 1.6 fluid ounces. And I got the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer, 0.33 fluid ounces. Isn't this the same? Yeah, it is. It's this. What is this? What's the difference between? I guess it's a travel size? I don't know why I got two of these, to be honest. I forgot, but it's the same thing, it says. I think. And then this, I think, is the lip product. Yes, Laneige Lip Glowy Balm Peach is the flavor. I was like, that sounds good. I'm going to put this on first. My hands are really dry right now, too. Okay. Okay, I forgot it was like this. I'm not big on the tube squeezy ones, but it looked pretty easy to put on and like not so crazy, and it has this thing. It's like peachy kind of color. Look at that color. I don't quite taste it. But I didn't want to get it in my mouth anyway. I think I'm starting to get it in my mouth. Uh-oh. And then that's why I don't like those things. I like bombs, like the sticks better. Alright, so this I'm going to put on... Oh, I see what this is. This is the serum, and then this is the cream. But why did I get a cream like this? I don't know. So I'm going to try the sample. The Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. 100% agreed skin felt less dry after application because my face is really dry. 96.8% agreed skin seems smoother and more even. Good. 93.7% agreed skin seemed tighter and firmer. This is supposed to be firming on my carpet. That's great. It smells like the cream. I hope I can get it out of my carpet easy. Doing the one-handed. I'm gonna put this down in just a sec. Alright. So usually I use my Dr. Serum, but since I got this water, we're gonna use this. I feel like my lips are melting. I might wipe it off. And then we're gonna see what this is. What's the difference? Visibly smooth, improved texture, some stuff in French. Farewell dryness, a lush cream that helps visibly smooth, soften the skin, and even lock in moisture for up to 100 hours. Skin type for normal to dry skin. I have very dry skin. So, okay. Yeah, I guess I ordered it like this. It's like a little squeeze tube. It probably is the same thing as in there, but in this form. Pretty much. But it's not as thick. The moisturizer that comes in the jar is very thick. But I like it. And and I go like with my finger. But usually my hands are clean when I do it, so I don't mind it too much. It's very good. Okay, rubbing it in everywhere. Not everywhere, but like up here. I don't know where else to put it. But that's that. I mean, I'll show you what this looks like. The Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. It's the same exact thing, but in a jar. This is, oh, they do give you a thing and I forgot. I always drop it. Alright, the last time when I got it from FabFitFun, I dropped this. So they do give you this thing, which I'm not going to drop on the floor. But I probably won't use it because, what for? It's very nice packaging. And you go like this, and then you peel off the foil. I have one already open, so I'm not going to open this one yet. I'll show you what that one looks like. Is it the same? No, that one looks smaller. FabFitFun is 0.67 fluid ounces. The one that I just bought is 1.6. So you can see a slight difference. Slight difference. This one's a lot lighter because it's almost empty. It's close to it. And I'm not being pessimistic, I'm being honest here. So that's what that looks like. And it smells nice. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells like a clean, fresh smell. It's nice. But yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna put these back in here. But thanks for stopping by. If you liked this video, please give it a thumb up. Give it a thumb up. And subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment, and share this with your mother, your brother, your sister, your husband, your girlfriend, your wife, your friend, your best friend, your acquaintance, your coworker if you're like that with them. Anybody, really. And don't forget to subscribe. I don't know if I said that yet. I might have. And I will see you all later. Bye.